Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are here to do some rehearsal makeup because I ordered some of the Amazon products which are supposedly 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Not my bad, because online they seem like they suit my skin, but oh my god, they are so light, and I'm damn sure you would be going through the same thing, right? So I'm here to help. So I have ordered this Maybelline Fit Me tint in the shade 5, and this still seems my skin tone, but when applied, nope, it is not my skin tone. It goes much lighter. I think I'll need 2 shades darker than this. Let me apply and show you guys. Comes in a one good thing is this is pocket friendly, so I am not going to regret it big time. You still feel like this shade suits you, but when you apply it on your face and blend is when you know it's not for you. Let me show you. See, this is this light and this is not for me. Can you see? This is the shade. So if you are my skin tone, please go 2 shades darker on Maybelline Fit Me tint. Same goes with L'Oreal Paris Infallible Mascara. Same goes with L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. There are just 3 shades. I thought I wouldn't go wrong in this, but what seemed like the shade that would suit me online, but what seemed like the shade that would suit me online is literally so light, it makes my under eyes gray. So if you are my skin shade, go for 317. I have ordered 312 and it is super light, and I'm sure 314 is also going to be light to me. 317 is the only shade left, and that I'll be reviewing soon when I order. But I didn't want to waste this since the makeup products are unreturnable. I thought I could convert this into a highlighting concealer, but I don't know how this works. Let's see if it can be used as highlighting concealer. I also got Plum Mascara free, and this time I'll be using this, so let's see how it goes. I have prepped my skin. I am gonna be using Maybelline New York Lumi Matte Finish Foundation in the shade 230. Again light, but when I blend it, it doesn't seem that odd. And I'm going to be using my base concealer as Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel as my base concealer. I used to think this is dark to me, but after ordering all these products, like, I'm literally changing my mind. Literally using a little dark product on your face really sits way better than using a light product on your face. Trust me, I did it, and I couldn't even show it in the video. It was that horrible. So let's start with foundation and concealer. I'm gonna be applying both at a time. This concealer does a very pretty job, but it doesn't highlight my dark circles, and that's what I want. And I literally had 2 breakouts, and I did no kamya in picking out through my nail, and then I got like really bad marks. I am going to be concealing here a little and here. Our Indian skin tone is prone to pigmentation, and we can't help it. I'm gonna be taking very little amount of foundation because the last time I took foundation in excess, I saw what a disaster it was. I'm going to be putting dots, like a minimal foundation. Since it's a rehearsal makeup, I'm not going to be covering my neck or my ears. I'm just going to be covering like this. Let's blend. I have come to realization that makeup has no rules. You can do it as per your convenience, and that's one good thing, because I need not buy stuff that I don't require, at least until they don't give it to me for free. Blend. The Maybelline Fit Me Concealer is, it's not Fit Me, the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer is like really impressive. And I forgot to use color corrector even today. Like, usual. आदत से मजबूर. Okay, so it did cover my under eyes, like you can see, but it has not highlighted my under eyes. We need to go a step further and use. So, time to use the Hero product. I hope this works well for my already concealed under eyes. Just gonna put a little amount. I've heard that a little amount goes a long way. I don't know if it'll actually make any difference, but why lose hopes? The formula is really good. I actually like the formula. It's easily blendable and you can build it, the concealer, with time. I needed a putty brush, I guess. Take a putty brush. Actually, I'm gonna use the same brush to blend it properly. Actually, this works. I am liking the way my under eyes are highlighted. I am going to be using this. Although I'll order 317, but I still am going to be using this shade as highlighting concealer. Let me set it with setting powder. This sugar translucent setting powder is holy grail, but this packaging is shit. It literally, can you see the powder that flows away when I open or close it? My god. Meanwhile, let's do our eyebrows. I like my eyebrows thick. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. I like it thick and dramatic. कुछ ज़्यादा ही ड्रामेटिक हो गए है ना. Tone it down. I'm gonna take out the excess baking powder. I kinda like it. I like the way it is highlighting my under eyes. So it's a go for me. If you have accidentally ordered a light colored concealer, you can always use it as a highlighting concealer upon a normal concealer. So this is a go for me. मेरे पैसे बच गए, thank God. But the tint is disappointing. I'm gonna give it to someone who has a lighter skin tone, like my elder sister. She's very fair. I'll give it to her. Today, after ages, I'll be applying eyeliner and black kajal, just to whatever. बचा लेना मुझे. I don't even know how to apply it anymore. I've forgotten. You know, when I used to go to Bharatanatyam classes, my mom knows nothing about makeup, obviously. My friends' mothers used to apply eyeliners or my friends themselves used to apply eyeliners to me. I was never good at this, nor am I good now, clearly. That's why I always depend on kajals, because they don't smudge like this, like so obviously. I spoiled it, haven't I? I know they are not perfect and they can never be, but it is what it is. So yeah, done with eyeliner. I know I should be ideally closing my eyes, but no. I'll be applying kajal after ages. I used to always be scared of these smoky eyes shit because मेरे already इतने बड़े under eyes है, मैं कहाँ से smoky eye करूँ? पर after starting to use highlighter, I thought I'll give a try on smoky eyes thing, and now is the time, I guess. Kajal be like, long time no see. Time for me to use this plum mascara. I'm actually not very experienced with mascaras, because whatever mascara I have used, I have been happy with it. I have not had this power of judging it, but from now on, I'll be reviewing more mascaras. Now, this product, I don't know the price point and all. I had gotten it for free. I'm gonna check and link it somewhere down. So let's see how this goes. Mine are very short lashes with short and flat lashes. So I should curl it up. I don't have a curler. I'm soon gonna order a curler. I don't know if this is... I'm actually impressed. Can you see the difference from this to this? Like, there's evident difference, and this is a really good product. And if it's waterproof, it's a plus point. I'm just gonna research on this and let you know if it's waterproof or not. Yes, this mascara is a yes from my side, because I'm like highly impressed. But I'm gonna try more mascaras and tell you which one's the best. But when it comes to clumping, I think it clumps a bit and it's a little heavy on my eyelids. Sorry, a little heavy on my eyelashes. So apart from the clumping part and being a little heavy on my eyelashes, I think this works fine. Worth getting a free product. I at least have a mascara to apply now. And I'd like to dance some here as a eyebrow setting thing, but I don't know, it might look very, very dramatic. And coming to my lower lashes, I don't like to highlight them, but never say never. I'm gonna highlight a bit. Okay, this is another free product from Plum that I got when I ordered some products from their website directly. This is a blush in the shade 125 Pink About You. nice name, and I'll use it and tell you how it is. The packaging is nice and cute, and I am sure this will be affordable. I'm gonna link the price below somewhere. Okay, coming to the pigmentation, it's really pigmented, like very much pigmented, but I don't know if this will suit me or wash me off, so let me see. Over here, impressed with the pigmentation. Impressed with the packing, impressed with the pigment, and the way it looks on me doesn't wash me off, and I'm a wheatish brown Indian skin tone, and this is in the shade Pink About You 125. Go for it. And it's obviously a powder product. It has not moved my foundation. I just need to blend it well. Like, all the products I'm trying today are so good, and I'm like super impressed. Yes, go for it. I'm gonna be ending this makeup video with the bindi because I'm sure my dad will be seeing and he'll call and say everything was nice, Appi, but if you would have worn bindi, it would have been more nice. So this is my final look, and I forgot to apply lipstick, and this is Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is brownish shade. I'm gonna be mixing it with Faces Canada Pretty Sepia, and these both are affordable lipsticks. This will account for some 300 rupees, and this will account for some 500 rupees. But it long ago have been my companion ever before I started, thinking about learning makeup. So I'll be applying this. So there's a trick. I take this part of lipstick and apply it as a lip liner, since I usually don't have lip liners. Lips. Actually, this seems nice. I don't think I need another shade of lipstick on this, but what's the harm in trying? This I don't think this is going to suit, but I'm still gonna try. It's in the shade Brown Espresso 18. I'm gonna dab everything and put a very little amount. I'm gonna blend it through my hand. I like this shade also. Not bad. But the brown has taken over. I wanted that pink shade. I'm gonna apply another layer of pink lipstick. Let me tell you another trick. This was taught by my makeup virgin friend, Lavi. Whatever excess you have after blending your lipstick and all, dab it on your eyes and make it an eyeshadow. Cool, right? And this is my makeup look, and this is how I look. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked this video, please like, share, subscribe. Bye.